us.
Okay.
Just back him up a little bit towards Nick.
Okay.
Nick's gonna take care of it. All right, we're gonna flip. I'm gonna flip for you.
Nice fish.
That's a keeper.
That is a keeper, bro. And it just came off.
Oh yeah, 100%. On the money.
Yeah, this guy. Bringing home some fish tonight.
I want to say it was probably on there when you handed it to me.
See you at my wife, yeah. See you at my life. Just meet me at the altar.
Hold on. He's really slimy. I like him.
Alright, now,
That'll work. Yeah, cause you're flipping him.
okay.
You're foul hooked. You're foul hooked. It's good. You can just drop it, Sky. So it looked way bigger because it was foul hooked.
Yeah, go swing it.
Weak.
Good.
Yeah, put him back. Keep going. What are you gonna do? Oh, that's a. She got a bluefish? She's got 2 fish. Yo, Sky, you gotta flip.
God, flip these.
Up and over, up and over. Drag's peeling. All right.
What the fuck? How's there 2 of them?
Oh, that's good shit, dude. Oh my god, Nick,
Trying
you
to
put my
tell me
rod
it's the
down.
bottom.
This fucking guy. Okay, so you want to look at big, huh? Perfect. Okay, you're good.
Like that, though.
It wasn't though. It wasn't until
I wanted to give it a second one.
I was fucking killing it, dude. Sky, what do you say? You gonna catch another fish or what? Hey, girl.
Alright, yeah, last drift, then we're heading back.
He's gonna eat. Okay, that's cool. Holy shit, it's my new PV. Let's go. I said no net. Wait, y'all.
The top one. Take that top off. Here, I'll take it.
I'm coming back. Yeah, it's a keeper. Yep, yes it is. how you do it, boys.
Alright, we work on
Yeah, you work on that. I'll work on this guy. I'm gonna fill up the aerator. Ah, on the bottom. Let's go. No, on the bottom hook I got him, which is...
There you go. Where's that net?
You need a net? Yeah, open that up for me.
You got the aerator running?
Yeah, it ran already. Attaboy. Excuse me. That's a nice fish. I knew it right away. Could tell by the weight on it.